I cannot believe that I am about to write an online review for a hairdryer, but this thing is so amazing that I want to sing its praises from the rooftop. I am a person with medium length, extremely thick, wavy to curly hair. I'm also a person who hates to do anything with their hair except wash it. I am not a person who buys a lot of products. I do not spend a lot of time watching videos about hairdos. I do not blow dry my hair on any kind of a regular basis. In short, I am hair lazy. I saw an online review for this product and thought that it might be worth giving it a shot. I was pretty sure that the whole thing was going to be a complete failure, and that I would wind up returning the product to Amazon. Boy, was I wrong. This hair dryer is a game changer for me. It usually takes somewhere between 45 minutes and an hour to blow dry my own hair if I am using a roller brush and trying to do a proper blowout. It is also an exercise in arm aerobics and gymnastics to try and manage this. I am just a person who has no skill for these sorts of things, and no patience. I set the timer on my phone before I started blow drying my hair when I used it for the first time. Start to finish, the entire thing took me about 15 minutes. I also used it on my hair right after a shower, towel dried, but no other removal of water. I am sure that if my hair had been less wet, it would have taken even less time, which is amazing. In 15 minutes I had a beautiful, sleek, soft blowout. I cannot believe it. I am kind of embarrassed to admit that I have been prancing around my house all evening fluffing my hair and running my hands over my head. I seriously cannot get over how amazing this product has made my hair look. As a person who struggles with flyaways, frizzy hair, and those sorts of things, I cannot believe that I can get my own hair to look so nice in such a short period of time. This blow dryer may actually be the best money I have spent on any kind of hair product in many years. Get it in the description below.